In the GLC, remove the inner side lining of the luggage compartment. First, fold down the corresponding rear seat back. Unlock the luggage compartment blind and remove it. Then fold up the rear cargo floor and remove the underlying insert. Then undo the 2 screws. Remove the luggage compartment floor and set it aside. Undo the fastening screw on the rear center section. Using a plastic wedge, unclip the rear center section and place it aside. Then remove the covers of the 2 eyelets and the backrest lock. Then unscrew the eyelets. Now unclip the luggage compartment lining carefully at the top. Pull it forward slightly and separate the connectors underneath. Now undo the front part. Now you can remove the luggage compartment lining. Installation is in the reverse order.